Okay, I've opened up the Create Rectangle. As you can see here, I'll fit this to screen. As you can see, we have 3 different rectangles that we need to create. This one says create rectangular shape, create rectangular shapes, create rectangle. Let's do this first one right here, the 2 points. Okay, so I'll come up here to create rectangle. Select that. It says select the first or the position of first corner. It's going to be this one right here. I'm actually going to type in the coordinates for it since they give it to us really nice. So it's 3 in the X, enter. Then if I look down here, the Y is 0.75. So 0.75, enter, and Z is 0 because we're on, top view, flat plane. Alright, so there's our first point. And now I'll type in the coordinates of the second point, which happen to be, looks like 4 inches, enter, and 1.75, enter, and 0 for Z. Alright, there's our first one. And I can hit apply. And I'll go ahead and hit OK to end that function. So now we've got 2 rectangles. They're both 2 inches by 1 inch. So I can go up here and drop this arrow down and say create rectangular shapes. Okay. I just moved that around to see what was behind it. We're going to do a base point. And this first one is in the middle. So let's change it to the middle of the anchor. Alright. And the size is 2 inches by 1 inch. Now, since both of these are the same size, I'm going to lock this in place so I don't have to type them in again. And now it says select base point position. I've got 2 options here. I can either click, which there's nothing to really click on, or I can come up here and just type in the coordinates. So first one, I'll do the top one here. It's 2 inches in the X direction, 1.5 or 2.5 in the Y direction, and Z0. Okay, that one looks good. Now let's say apply. That one's set. Now let's do another. Except this one I need in the lower left corner. Do we have dimensions for that one? Okay, it looks like we do have dimensions of that one. I'm going to slide this over a little bit more. Okay, it's a ½ inch from each side. So let's go down to the corner, and I'll type in 0.5, enter, 0.5, enter, enter, and I'll hit the checkbox to say it's okay. Alright, so now we've created all of the different rectangles we need to. A few features I wanted to show under rectangular shapes are, the cool thing is you can change the shape of these. So you see that? Or you can change it to that type or that type, and these all have a little name. That one's a double D, this one's a D, this one's an oblong or oblong state. So that's just pretty neat. And to change where that center is located, you can click on the base point and move it around. Click on the base point, move it around. Alright, well, that's all there is with creating a rectangle.